Bring. Look at this crispy and salted eggplant. It's even better than barbecue. How exactly is it made to be crispy on the inside and tender on the inside, even tastier than with meat? My family just loves eggplant. Look at the way they're hanging up in fancy patterns. Let me tell you, you can skip everything else, but you absolutely must try this salt and pepper crispy eggplant. Once you learn it, show off your skills at home, and everyone will praise you as a master chef. After washing the eggplant, we cut it into slices. Let's soak it in salt water. One defense: prevent it from oxidizing and turning black. Next, we'll adjust the most crucial step: removing impurities. Add 35 parts flour and then 35 parts starch to the batter. Their ratio is 1:1, plus a small one. Spoon 10. 3 sips of spices, half a spoonful of 5-grain crushed powder, and 3 egg yolks. Do not add egg whites. Pour in the beer again. The eggplant made by mixing wine with water and then pressing it is both crisp and crunchy. Stir it until there are no lumps, and it should be like yogurt. Add a little salt for a base flavor. Put it back. Add some cooking oil and stir it well. This will make it crispier when fried. Remove the eggplant from the water and drain. This pot can be used to hold batter, and the oil should be heated to about 50–60 before frying. Flip it over while frying so both sides are golden brown, then take it out and you'll see how crispy it is. Is it crispy or not? Wait until the oil temperature rises to 70% again before attempting a second test. This process shouldn't take too long, just a dozen seconds is fine. It was fished out. Sprinkle some salt and pepper on top before eating. This bite. Crispy on the outside and fragrant on the inside. Yeah, it tastes just as good even without this filling and meat. It tastes crispy and crunchy, and is incredibly fragrant. The best part is that it's also very easy to make. Sisters who want to eat this, please follow me and I'll sit up quickly.